Hello everyone, welcome to Siddhi Academics. I'm Amrita. I firmly believe that you should keep trying until you get it right. So let's start our trial for today. Let's start with question number 31 for today, and I will be attaching the link of all the previous videos for IMO Set C for class 6 in the description of this video, as well as somewhere on the top you can find the entire playlist. And if you want to learn and watch along with me, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Siddhi Academics. Let's start with question number 31. Question number 31, I will first write down the question. The question is 115 divided by 23 minus 17 into 3 plus 48 minus 20. So if we take BODMAS rule, first we have to divide. So if you divide 115 divided by 23, it will be 5, because 23 multiplied by 5 is how much? 5 3 are 15. 1 gets carried over. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So this is 5. And then we have got minus sign. We'll put the minus sign. Here it is 17 into 3. 17 into 3 is 51. Then plus 48. Then minus 20. Okay. So let's add up these two numbers. These are two positive integers. 5 plus 48, how much it is? It will be 3. 5 plus 8 is 13. So 3 will stay and 1 will get carried over. It will be 53. And then we will add up the negative integers. Before that, I am putting the minus sign of the negative, whatever the answer will be, because there are two negative integers. So if like integers are there, we need to add and put the same sign. You might be knowing the rule. So if you add it up, it will be 1 and 5 plus 2 is 71. So we have minus 71 when we add 51 and 20. Okay. If you add this two, then we have got minus 71. Like integers get added and the sign gets repeated in the final result. So 53 minus 71, if we do, it will be 11 minus, okay, I'll write it down. We have to do this subtraction because they are different sign. Here there is minus sign in between and there is no sign here, means there is a plus sign. I'll just for showing, I'm telling you, if there is no sign before any number, it means it is a positive integer. So here, because they are of different sign, both the integers, so we have to subtract. Here we have to do 11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 is 8. And then what remains here is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. So it will be minus 18. So answer is option A. Question number 31, option A, minus 18 is the answer. So let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 32. Question number 32 says a container can hold 18 5 by 7 liters of mustard oil. How much quantity of mustard oil can be held in 14 such containers? Simple, we just need to multiply what one container can hold with 14 to understand how much will be the quantity of mustard oil. So 18 5 by 7, first let's convert it into improper fraction. So 18 into 7 is how much? 8 sevens are 56. 5 gets carried over. 7 months are 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. So it's 126 plus 5 by 7. Okay. So it will be 131. If we add 126 with 5, what it will be? 131. 131 by 7. Now, in order to find the quantity of mustard oil, we just need to multiply 131 by 7 liters. This is the quantity that one container can hold into 14 containers. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So 131 into 2 will be 262, right? If you multiply, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6 and 2 ones are 2. So 262 liter is the answer. So question number 32, option B, 262 liters is the answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 33. Question number 33 says that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle whose each side is 6 cm long. Find the perimeter of the shaded regular hexagon. So it's a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means all sides are of same length. Okay. If it's irregular, then it's a different matter. It's a regular hexagon. So this is 6 centimeter, right? AC is 6 centimeter. Now 2 centimeter here, 2 centimeter here means 6 minus 4 we need to do. 6 minus 4 will be 2 centimeter, which is the length of each side of the hexagon. 2 centimeter here. This also will be 2 centimeter. Okay. Here also 2 centimeter. Because it's a regular hexagon, so just if we find one side length, we know all the sides, I mean the length of all the sides. So 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2, there are 6 sides, right? So perimeter will be 2 centimeter multiplied by 6 sides of the hexagon, which is 12 centimeter. Okay, this is a very simple question. So answer is option C. If you see, it's 12 centimeter. So question 33, option C is the answer, and perimeter of the regular hexagon is 12 centimeter. So just pay attention to the word regular. Okay, otherwise you will stay confused. You won't know the length of this side, how to find it, how to find this length. Okay. So we have completed question number 33. Let's move to the next question. Let's start with question number 34. Question number 34 says, what is the smallest number of squares that must be shaded so that line XY becomes the line of symmetry? Line of symmetry XY means both sides have to have the same figure. Okay. So here only the shaded region is not making the both the sides symmetrical. Otherwise, the figure itself is symmetrical. Figure on both sides is symmetrical. So let's check. See, if you check here, this square here. Similarly, on the other side, this is shaded, so it's okay. Here, if you check on below the line XY, these half of this square and this square is shaded, but here half is shaded and this is not shaded. So this needs to be shaded. Okay, to achieve symmetry on both sides. Now here this particular square is shaded, here this square is not shaded. So this also needs to be shaded, okay, to achieve symmetry. Like this you can understand. Here this is shaded, it's okay. This is shaded, this is not shaded here. So this will be shaded. Till now we have shaded 1, 2 and 3. 3 squares on both sides, okay, including both the sides. Now here this side is shaded, this is not shaded. So this needs to be shaded for achieving symmetry. Here this is shaded, this is shaded. Otherwise the entire figure on both the sides is the same, right? On both the sides of the line of symmetry XY. Otherwise everything is same. So how many squares did we actually shade to get symmetry? 1, 2, 3, 4. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 34. Option A, 4 is the correct answer. 4 is the number of squares that must be shaded so that line XY becomes the line of symmetry. Question number 35 says, a whole number is added to 50 and the same number is subtracted from 50. Find the sum of the resulting number. So, one whole number, let that number be x, first added to 50, it becomes x plus 50. Then it is subtracted from 50. What does it become if we subtract? From 50, it becomes 50 minus x. Now find the sum of the resulting numbers. So if you try to add them up, what it will be? X plus 50 plus 50 minus x. So x and x minus x gets cancelled. What stays is 100. So the resulting number is 100. Of question number 35, option D, 100 is the answer.